It's time to create with Quimby. Why stick to one of those boring store-bought checkerboards? Why would you do that? Ugh, gosh, you can make your own.
Okay, yeah, you know, different designs suited to your decor. We're going to learn how you can craft your own game board that is not only fully functional, but also, you know, a little rustic flair. I think this looks so great. Joining us live to show us how she made this checkerboard, our DIY queen, Shannon Quimby. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. And you know what goes great with checkers?
What?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ah, this is true.
I was going to say, this is the recipe of the perfect summer game night here. And I love this idea for your next little backyard party or camping trip. This is so great.
Yeah, it's fun. And the great thing about this too is this checkerboard doesn't fold up, so it doesn't flop around when you take it outside, right? It's a good one. So first you want to do is just hop in the car, go down to Parr Lumber. There's a whole bunch of them scattered around the city, so I'm sure there's one close by. And you want to get a piece of plywood and have it cut at 16 by 22, okay? So you're making like a rectangle shape. Easy peasy. Okay, next up is you want to get a drill, and this is a 7/8 drill bit. The reason it's 7/8 is fat, okay? And all you're going to do is then you're going to mark and measure about maybe 2 inches in from one end. This would be considered the top and center, and you just drill a hole, okay? Right there.
Okay,
Easy,
with you so far.
Yeah. So in your yay. With your checkerboards, you want to pick colors on two contrasting colors, so a dark and a light. And so I use, and amazingly, you only need a little bit of paint. This is a 2-ounce acrylic. You just need 2 of these for the base. I went with a dark gray and a light colored off-white for the checkers. So surprisingly, you only need a little bit of paint for this project. So, and then simple is you just start painting the board. You want to paint, now you don't have to paint the backside if you don't want to, but I do, I like to just kind of finish it.
Yeah.
So you just paint the whole board, and the sides and such. You're probably going to need about 2 coats, and then you're going to let it dry.
Okay.
All right?
Now, does it matter? Are you starting with the light color and then painting dark, or are you starting with the dark and then painting light?
Ooh, well, that's up to you.
Okay.
So,
but you're not going to mess it up depending on which way you do it.
No.
Okay.
And so I went with the darker gray on the base. Okay. And then I'm going to finish off with the white. Okay. So here it is all painted and ready to go. So surprisingly, it's always guess how many squares are in a checkerboard?
Oh gosh.
Oh wow, it is too early for math, Shannon. Come on.
I'll say 100. I have no idea.
Not 100, Travis.
I have no idea.
Couple dozen.
64. There's 64 squares.
There's more than
an actual checkerboard, as you can see, this is the one I have hanging up on the wall. It's an actual square. So you're going to measure and mark with a ruler and a pencil. Don't use a pen because you want to eventually erase the outline. And so if you're a pen, you're kind of stuck with that. Okay. So you're going to measure 12 inches, a 12-inch square on your board, lightly with a pencil. And then you're going to create 8 lines. There's actually 8 lines going each direction, this way and that way. So horizontal and vertical, 1.5 inches.
I was going to say 12 inches, 8 lines is 1.5. Okay, 1.5 for square. Yep.
Yeah, a lot of math early in the morning. So now this is kind of a nice painting tip. Then basically you're going to be starting to paint your squares. Now I said there's 64 squares, but you're only painting 32. So now, well, I get distracted a lot, especially when I'm DIYing. I kind of multitask. So you want to paint alternately. Now, a key thing on that is so you don't mess up, you want to maybe put dots on the ones that you're going to be painting.
Oh, that's super smart.
Right? So you don't accidentally start painting one square next to the other, which is key. Right. So this is just a quarter inch watercolor paintbrush. So you just want to use kind of a smaller paintbrush. And now, I know, Emily, this might kind of drive you a little crazy, but I'm eyeballing this. If you want to.
You know, for this one, I like that. It's a little rustic. They don't have to be perfect squares.
I was wondering that, though.
You don't need the painter's tape.
I wouldn't be able to eyeball it because you would get like rectangles for checker pieces.
So if you did want to make them really precise, you could put down like some frog tape, right? You know, and
yes, you could. You definitely could. you can outline it exactly with the masking tape if you wanted to have it crisp and so forth.
But I think
And
this looks good.
I know.
I'm loosening up, Shannon. It's summer. Paint outside
Yeah,
the lines.
right.
It's okay.
Yeah, you're right. Loosen it up. Now, here's this one. It's all finished. Now, notice how this is nice and crisp.
Yeah.
So I aged it. Notice this one's a little bit darker.
Yeah.
Now, you can stop here and just finish it with that, or you can use this polish. This is a wax polish. You can get it at any hardware store. My favorite hardware store is down in Westmoreland. And this is an antique. This is an antique brown, and you only need a little bit because it goes on really dark. See, look how dark that is. So if you start putting on a lot, basically that's going to disappear. So this is the aging process right here, and it goes in the grain. It looks nice. Do you see how that's happening?
Smart. Yeah, because I was going to ask you, I was like, wait, but how do you get it to look? It almost had like a wood grain look to it on the other one. That's so cool.
I know, and it's so easy. I know a lot of times you think, oh my gosh, how do you antique something? That, I mean, it really is. It's just a painting or staining process.
And there's another look there that we pulled up of that finished project. But before we let you go, Shannon, how do you store your checker pieces? Do you have a fun solution to that?
Oh, yeah. I just take some leather lace and I get some washers to make them. You spray paint them. You got to get 24. You lace it up there. You put it on a hook on the board. And you call it good. And you
that's what it is. That's hanging there. Those are the checker pieces hanging.
Honestly, that's even easier than trying to fold it all into a box and then you lose a checker every time.
Totally. That's awesome. Great idea. Once again.
Awesome. Shannon Quimby, our creative queen. Thank you so much. Good to see ya.
Have fun playing checkers.
Thanks.
Thank you. King me.
We will.
Yes.
That's chess, Travis.
No, it's not.
Hey,
is it?
Yes.
King me?
Yes.
No, you get to the end of the checkerboard.
Right? Oh, chess is checkmate.
Yeah. You don't know.
Checkmate on the brain today. Okay, that's right. Yeah, king me, get the double checker.
Yeah. Okay, we'll have to refresh the rules here.
It's on TV. Okay, for the full list of materials and instructions for the DIY checkerboard, post that on coin.com, so check it out.